Enjoy the convenience of an automatic transmission, but still want that sporty connection with the road you get with a manual? Not a problem with Kia's Sportmatic Shifting, which allows you to manually shift gears, but without having to use a clutch. In this video, we'll show you how to engage and disengage Sportmatic Shifting, and how to shift using Sportmatic for that sportier driving experience. It's really simple. To get into Sportmatic mode, just move the shifter into the side gate here. Sometimes the shifter is in a boot, so you can't see that it's in Sportmatic mode, but you can definitely feel it drop in. Now you're ready to take control of the road, and without having to use a clutch. To manually shift up, tap the shifter upwards towards the plus symbol, and to downshift, tap the shifter backward toward the minus symbol. An indicator light will let you know what gear you're in. When you come to a stop but you haven't downshifted to first gear, no worries. The system will automatically shift to first gear for you. Sportmatic mode can be selected when your Kia is either stationary or in motion, though it's not as much fun when it's stationary. To return to drive in automatic mode, just move the shifter back to the D position. When you're driving in Sportmatic mode, remember that only the 6 forward gears can be selected. If you want to reverse or park your Kia, you'll have to move the shifter to the R or P position. And to shift out of park or up into reverse, you need to press the shifter button. And that's it! Sportmatic Shifting is easy and fun to use whenever you're looking for a manual-style feel behind the wheel of your Kia. To help you get better acquainted with these and other features, always check your owner's manual for complete operating information and safety warnings.